PowerSharp sharpens on the saw, on the job, in seconds. Until now, sharpening saw chain has required special tools, significant expertise, and a lot of downtime. That's about to change. Introducing PowerSharp, the latest innovation from Oregon, the global experts in cutting systems and supplier to 80% of the world's chainsaw manufacturers. A revolution in saw chain, PowerSharp gives chainsaw users the power to sharpen their own chain in a matter of seconds with a simple, portable attachment. A dull chain makes common tasks such as cutting firewood or trimming trees difficult and time-consuming. Any cutting tool will wear with use, but the outdoor jobs that chainsaws tackle are especially demanding. Contact with rocks, metal, or even dirt can quickly dull chain. It's time to sharpen the chain when the cutting is slower and more difficult, or the wood chips become smaller, in extreme cases turning to sawdust. Before PowerSharp, chainsaw users had three options: manually sharpen the chain themselves, take the chain to a shop, or simply do nothing. Manual sharpening requires specialized tools and techniques, and time. A trip to the saw shop means time off the job. Doing nothing results in frustration with the task or the tool. PowerSharp is now the best option. PowerSharp is a system that includes the PowerSharp guide bar, the PowerSharp chain, and the Bar Mounted Sharpener. Working together, they provide a fast, simple, and portable method for sharpening saw chain with precision. The PowerSharp system comes with a number of proprietary features that make it the fastest, easiest method ever made for maintaining a sharp chain. The Bar Mounted Sharpener is a durable, lightweight tool that clamps quickly and easily to the tip of the guide bar. Inside, the crescent-shaped sharpening stone provides the honing surface. This stone, when replaced with the chain as recommended, keeps the cutter's knife edge sharp. The PowerSharp guide bar, available in the most popular lengths, has twin guide holes that secure the bar-mounted sharpener, ensuring perfect alignment between the sharpening stone and the cutter. At the heart of the PowerSharp system is the PowerSharp chain. Tough and hard-working, it powers through as much wood as any 3/8-inch low-profile Oregon chain. The PowerSharp chain incorporates a number of features that make the system perform. The unique top sharp cutter sharpens down, not back, providing consistent performance throughout the life of the chain. The guidance drive link is a simple but important innovation that works with the cutter and depth gauge to provide 3 points of contact with the sharpening stone, stabilizing the cutter as it meets the surface of the stone, reducing kickback, and allowing even beginners to sharpen their chain with precision. Another major advance is the diamond-coated dresser link that provides integrated stone resurfacing, ensuring flat cutter-to-stone contact, a requirement for maintaining a sharp edge across the entire cutter. PowerSharp is not only portable and easy to use, it sharpens the chain quickly, from dull to sharp in as little as 3 seconds.
I messed up a couple times, stuck it in the dirt and had a dull chain, and I put the PowerSharp unit on there, sharpened the chain, and within less than a minute I was back at it with a real sharp chain, and beats the heck out of filing with the file.
Simply attach the bar mount sharpener to the guide bar using the twin guide holes. With the saw full throttle, lightly press the end of the sharpener to a solid surface for 3 to 5 seconds. And the PowerSharp chain is back in the cut. When dulling is extreme, sharpening can be repeated. Easy to use, PowerSharp gives even occasional users the confidence to keep their chain in top condition. Small, portable, and highly visible, the PowerSharp bar mount sharpener is easy to carry in the field. Sharpening in as little as 3 seconds, professionals can stay on the job. People who use their saw less than once a month, and those who use their saw on a daily or weekly basis, have all shown enthusiasm for the PowerSharp concept. It's no surprise that most people surveyed said they were likely to buy the PowerSharp system.
The sharpening attachment was very easy to put on, amazingly easy to sharpen that chain with that attachment. It was beyond my expectations, truly. I can't believe I just sharpened a chain.
Available in 5 configurations, PowerSharp fits the majority of saws on the market and the applications required by most chainsaw owners. Whether it's cutting firewood, trimming trees, or storm cleanup, a sharp chain gets the job done faster and easier. PowerSharp sharpens on the saw, on the job, in seconds. PowerSharp is another Oregon brand innovation, experts in the industry, and dedicated to superior engineering.